What in the world do you do with all your scraps? We always have tons and tons of weirdly shaped pieces of fabric all around us. Well, this is what I do with some of mine. This is our weaving loom that we have here in our shop. So these are various fabrics that I have cut off the bottom of dresses. Most of these, this came from a prom dress. This definitely came from a wedding dress. This came from some kind of a bridesmaid dress. So I end up with these really long strips. So what do? I weave with them. So I take these strips, I compile them, and this is our big weaving loom. So if you want to build a loom like this, it's really easy. You just have to build a frame and then put a bunch of nails at the top and a bunch of nails at the bottom. Then what I have done is warped it. So that means the strands that go up and down on the loom, those are called the warp. You can see mine are pink. So this is just a pink cotton thread that I just took along the nails, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very simple. So this has actually been a community weaving project. So we bring this outside during our Fiber Arts Festival and some other events, and we just give people scraps and just let people have at it. Because it's so easy and beginner friendly, and it's a good way to get some kind of fiber art into people's hands that they can manage. So I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy, and maybe you'll want to use up your scraps and create some art too. And your loom doesn't have to be this big. You could even make one from a painter's canvas, take the canvas off, nail a bunch of nails to the top and bottom, and then you have a little frame loom. So this is really fun. This is a fun way to use your scraps. So this is what you do. So it's almost done. You can see there's very little space that is unfilled. So let's go maybe right here. There's a little space that could be filled. And I'm just going to take this green satiny piece that came off some kind of a bridesmaid dress, and I'm just going to loop it around one of the warp threads. You don't really have to tie a knot. I'm actually just going to take what the tail is and use it along with the bigger strand. So now what we do is just a simple over-under weaving technique. So we have all the warp threads that go vertically. So we're going to find the one nearby here and either go over it or under it. And like I said, I'm going to use tail and working yarn as one just to get rid of the tail in the same step. So I'm going to take them and put them over the first one and under the next one. So over and under, and then pull through all that slack like that. Okay, next one, we'll go over and then under the next one. Just like that. And you just repeat that over and over. It's really fun. It's really stress busting, and it uses up your scraps, and then you can have a fun fiber art piece at the end. So I'm just going over and under. You can see I can literally do it without even looking at it. It's that easy. It's something kids can do with you. You can do this to get them interested in sewing or the textile arts. It's a really good introductory type of craft because it's just simply so easy. So then it starts to look like this, and this piece starts to get filled in. So the goal is to fill the whole thing, unless of course you want some empty space in yours, and that also can look pretty cool. And you can use anything you want. There's no rules. You can use fabrics, you can use yarns, you can use anything. So this is just one of the many ways that I like to use up my fabric scraps, especially these super long pieces that have been cut off of dresses that are just in big long strips. So I hope this was fun for you. If so, please give me a like, and please do subscribe to our Pin Drop Shop channel. We put out a new video every week, and it's all about sewing deep dives. So check us out, and I hope you'll stick around. Until next time, happy making.